Hey babe, where are we going today?
We're going to Moody Gardens and we're gonna go see that aquarium that you go underneath it. It's like you're in the ocean and it's supposed to be super cool. I can't wait to see it. It's gonna be fun.
Why are we going today?
Because it's military half-off day. Yeah. Okay.
Mondays, military Mondays, you get in for 30 bucks a head. So
yeah,
that's a pretty good idea. And the reason we're going today, not only Military Monday, but it's not a beach day because...
No, look out here. You can see, you can't even see the beach. It's nothing but solid fog. Can you see that? I can. See that? Solid fog. So, we're going to Moody Garden.
Perfect day to go to Moody Gardens and have fun.
We don't know what it all entails or what it does, so come with us and come run away with us and we'll go find out together. Okay.
We'll see if we can video it. We don't know for sure.
Yeah, they might not let us.
But we're going to try.
We'll try. We'll see.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Stay tuned.
Come on. Hey, we're at Moody Gardens right now. It looks pretty cool. It's got a lot of stuff here.
Palm Beach.
Yeah.
All kinds of, I guess we go to the visitor center to
figure out how to pay for it and all that stuff.
Take your receipt to the ticket counter and start saving
Aquarium,
today.
Discovery Museum, SpongeBob, Visitor Center,
Oh, I know, there's all kinds of stuff.
Garden restaurant.
Area golf courses like Golf Now Magazine.
Look at this.
Rope course and zip line.
Ooh, that might be fun.
Seaside Public Course.
Ooh, there's the zip line way up there.
Features 5 sets of
Cool.
teams, all levels of play. So whether you are advanced,
Let's see. This is the map of Moody Garden. See if you can see it. Can you see it? Okay. Let's see. Entrance, theater, Rainforest Pyramid, garden lobby, garden restaurant, Discovery Pyramid. Okay, that way. Entrance, theater. Oh, I have no clue.
Are you still recording?
Uh-huh.
And the walking path. Look at these Indian hawthorns.
Oh, smell that. Smell it. Go all the way up.
Strong.
Oh.
This is the walking path to the aquarium.
I think
Pretty cool.
That is, what is that?
Indian hawthorn.
Just big?
Yep. And that's a Norfolk pine.
Isn't that cool? Oh, go all the way up. Look.
I did.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry. Look, see the pups?
Mm-hmm.
There's some that's come out already. You think they smell?
I don't know. Put your nose down there.
Yes. This is beautiful.
Very well landscaped. Nicely done. And here must be the aquarium entrance. Pretty cool. Right there.
There we go.
Wow.
Is this called a silverfish or what?
I think it's called a French angelfish. I don't know what that snub nose. Wow. There's the cleaner, scuba diver down there cleaning things up. Got his little air hose all the way down. Pretty cool. This is the penguin encounter. Begins right here. Let's check out some penguins. They gotta go fishing for bronze. And there they are. What do you think of them, Donna? Up close and personal.
Look at him.
He's chilling.
Look, he's sleeping over there, the one that's got his head all the way down.
that one right there.
Oh my goodness. Look, he's got like hair.
Little hair on his ears.
Oh, look at him. He's pretty too.
He's like to be the window washer in here. Oh, he's got yellow head. Got little bands on his wrist.
Yeah, they all do.
Oh. Look at them all.
Oh, they're kissing. They're kissing. You see them?
Yep.
Aww. Oh, he's liking it.
That's a macaroni penguin, both of those two. What's up, big guy?
Hey, good looking. Hey, good looking. What's cooking? Oh.
And everything here is accessible, wheelchair accessible, just so you know. So you never have to.
Did you see the yellow guy go by?
Pretty cool. Look,
He's coming back. Wow.
he's in a race.
Looks like
Those
he's...
are actually real live
Oh, there's
coral.
one guy back there.
This coral garden, so that's pretty cool. Actually,
And they're real.
they're actually real moving coral.
Oh.
I like that pink one up there.
Look at
I
him.
don't know what that is, but that turkey's cool looking.
That's cool.
Right, big
He says
guy.
he's pretty. Chris.
That's a
Unicorn
South Pacific
tang.
unicorn tang fish.
Oh, okay.
That's baby, look.
Oh, that's some bird of paradise. You like those guys, don't you?
He's cool. Look at that one.
Did you see the striped blue?
Yep.
He's over there now.
Look at this.
He's
Look
pretty.
at this all over.
Look at him. That one glows. This is beautiful. We just started.
And we have our shark.
Oh.
See, you don't have to go scuba diving or snorkeling. Just come to Moody Gardens.
This is going to be really cool.
The jellies. And we're going to do the jelly touch tank. Maybe. We don't know. They do have stingers. So be careful. Spotted lagoon jelly.
You want to use 2 fingers on the very top, and you don't want to reach past your wrist.
Wow.
Just because the water here is pretty
It's
cold.
going to bite me, isn't it? Okay, it's going to
He
get
ain't gonna bite you.
Look at him.
The water is 55 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's a little chilly.
Look, babe, he's coming to the top.
The main reason.
And we don't want to touch the ball.
Wow.
Because it's part
That
of the
feels cool.
Yeah, right?
Don't go waist deeper than this. There's a what a video.
Yeah, they'll bite you with their sharp teeth that they have.
That's what I was thinking.
But the reason why we don't want to touch the ball, it's actually on our fingers,
Hard
there's
stuff,
oil,
yeah.
and oil actually will absorb salt. And these guys live in salt water. And so it'll go into the filter.
I'm gonna get this one
all
right
that
here.
oil stuck inside of it.
Touch that big one, babe.
Touch
2
it here.
fingers, 2 fingers.
Oil is on the outside.
You gotta touch it with 2 fingers.
Inside.
Oh my God. Oh,
like
did you
it?
see it? Oh.
I think these are fighting. Or dancing. One of the two. Hadn't figured it out yet. Alright, good. Moon jellies don't sting. Beside each other. Babies are live. Yeah, How'd you like to be washing the windows in this place? All this glass. No, that's not a jelly. That's a fire hose. Haha. Cleaning man. You want a job? You can too. Be the cleaning man. Fishies and eels. Look at this one. Wow. Tiger shark, I guess.
Yeah, do it like this. Let's do us together. Oh my God, honey, look at all that, look.
It's a tiger shark.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty cool.
This is the coolest place I've seen in a long, long time. Look, here he comes. Dun, dun, dun. You gotta go slow, honey. That's a little one. Look, up there. Dun, 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 dun.
He don't even look real. He looks like one of those plastic models.
Uh-huh. Very pretty. I've been doing this every time.
What's this?
Coming. Oh, did you see that?
Wow, there's those ones.
Oh, Chris, look.
Hey, big guy.
Oh my God, this is the coolest
Swimming
place
seal.
ever.
Come on, Biggins. Come on, come on. Here he comes. He's gonna take a lap. Wow, what's up, big guy?
Whoa, you can see that over there.
Show off. He's showing off. Here he comes. Here he comes. Hi, Biggin. Look at this. Hi. How you doing? How's it going, big guy? Hi.
Oh, he likes you.
Hi.
Oh my God.
Hi, Biggins. Hi. How you doing? Hi.
Oh my goodness, he likes you.
You know, he's just bored.
He's coming back. Here he
Hi.
is, brother. Oh.
Maybe.
Chris, or is that him? Woo, look.
It's just too cloudy. You're not going to be able to see him very.
Is that him right there, honey?
Nope, that's too big.
He's too fat.
And now for the Caribbean.
We're fixing to go through the tunnel, Chris.
Look,
Oh, look how beautiful.
look at this
The
big guy.
camera does it justice.
Look at that big guy.
Oh, I love those. Oh, look at him. He's pretty. Yeah. Woo!
Oh, this one's on the sidewall. Wow. Oh, here come the tunnel. All of them are swimming around all over the place. Whoa.
Wait a few minutes. Look at this.
The state crew will kick off after 2 days. Once the state crews kick off, then you can use denatured alcohol to sand it and prep it.
This is
and then we'll
awesome.
shoot in hundreds of tubes of alcohol. You do one pop-up, once one area is started, you finish that area in the sand. So you do all. Then we're going to do this window off to the right. We'll cordon that off. That little side is done. Then we'll bisect that middle.
There's another one right behind it.
The top, what size? We'll have this on the airport space. So we'll be able to move our parts in here.
Wow.
You have to find, I think that office.
Did you see the big stingray? Look at him. Get some fish. about the aquarium?
The Moody Gardens Aquarium is pretty cool. I think it's a must-do. If you're in the area or anywhere near it, you need to come to Moody Gardens.
It is beautiful. And there was this stingray here that was as big as that right there.
Just
He came
on-
across over the top of us and like made a dark cloud over
Made
us.
a pass over
It
us in
was-
the tunnel.
I went,
and back
Chris,
else. I think I got him. I'm not sure.
There,
But
look at the shark right there. It's just so cool. This is really a must-do. For me, I love it.
I would do it. Yeah.
And if you come on Mondays, you can get the military half price. And so that's pretty cool. Just
Put it
tell them
on
that
your-
you're military.
Put it on your bucket list and run away to the Galveston area.
That's it. Come on. Let's go see what else we can get into. Chris, do you see the penguins? Aren't they cute? Oh, look at him.
He's dancing.
He's going, shake your booty. He's doing disco.
He stopped. There
Oh,
you
there
go.
goes.
Got that booty going. Cleaning up. Looks like they're all, this must be cleaning day. They're all cleaning themselves.
Somebody said, Pew, go take a bath.
Humboldt penguin. The Rainforest Symphony. Walking into the rainforest. I don't know if you can hear it all. He's up there. Green tree python.
Just laying there. Wow. Look at him. Look at him. Ain't good. Ain't gorgeous. Look at those feet. Come here. Aw. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Big old ears.
Oh, wow.
See all the turtles on the logs? Looks like it.
Is that a bat?
Yes.
You better tether that to yourself. There's a bunch of them under this. Chris, you see what I said? Did you see that? It's going on deep in the house. They're doing it. Yeah, they're doing it.
I'm on camera. Can you stop saying it like that?
See it? There it goes.
That's a big boy over there. Look at that one.
Close up on that.
I think we have a sloth. There's another one right there or something. Hi, Begging.
Hi, good looking. Oh my God.
Uh-oh.
There, they both got us monkeys. Right?
Yeah. Hi, big guys. What do you think about the rainforest, babe?
I love it. Isn't this the coolest thing? Who thought to do all this? So, and the bromeliads are awesome. Isn't that what they're called? Yeah.
It's all different colors.
Yeah. Look at him looking at you. Look at his eyes. They rotate at 365 degrees. See? Look at his tail. He's curled all the way around the back.
Snakes, snakes, and more snakes. They're all over the place.
Yep. And I don't mind. Hi, are you pretty? What do you like?
She works here. What's up, big guy? Huh? What do you think? That's a slug.
Is he hanging on? Hi. Oh, that's how pretty. How beautiful. Oh, something's landing in my head.